Wanna know how to check your messages on OkCupid? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, in order to check your messages, so simply open up your OkCupid application. On OkCupid, you can only see messages from people you have matched with. That means both of you swiped right on each other. Now to view messages, tap on the chat bubble icon on the bottom that is located right here. Now once you're there, this opens your conversations tab. All your mutual messages and messages will be listed here. If someone messaged you but you don't have liked them back yet, you won't see the full message until you match with them. So make sure to check your likes tab too. Swipe right if you're interested and the message will appear. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.